What is up, guys? This is Y'all Life back again with another video. Just going to give you guys a quick update on Bitcoin and some possible scenarios that could play out here in the near future. So let's get started. So currently here we are on coinmarket.com. As you can see, there is a sea of red. Everything is down 20 to 30% here. If you just scroll down in the top top 100 here. As you can see here, we'll change the 24-hour time frame. So right now, everyone is converting their money to USD Tether. So basically what a lot of people are trying to do during this bear market is they're trying to short Bitcoin as a way to make profit and collect more Bitcoin before this thing rebounds in the near future. So that's what a lot of people are doing there. And as you can see here, that's pretty much the only thing that's in the green today. As you can see here, surprisingly, NEO is also one of the best coins traded today, only down 8% because it just happens to be a Chinese cryptocurrency there. So that one's doing really well today. So, back to the main page here on Bitcoin. So currently, Bitcoin down to 200 billion in market cap. As you can see, the total market is down here, roughly 582 billion dollars there for the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin dominance is roughly the same there, around the 35% range there. So we're going to dive deep into the technical analysis here. Right now, you guys might be thinking that technical analysis is pointless at this point, but if you guys are, trying to trade in the short term, you definitely can take advantage of this bear market, because when a lot of weak hands are selling, there's going to be some opportunities for you guys to buy some cheap altcoins as well as Bitcoin. So just keep that in mind. Definitely do not panic sell. Bitcoin is just in a correction period. For those that are new to crypto, you might think this is the end of the world, but this happens, throughout history. This correction here. It's just a healthy cycle in terms of the market there. So don't look into it too much. I know the media out there is definitely trying to spread FUD and allow a lot of their new cryptocurrency customers there to basically sell their accounts and definitely give the opportunity to the rich there to purchase more on the dip. So we'll dive deep into this here at the moment. So as you can see here, Bitcoin down due to the news about regulations in Korea and China, possibly banning their exchanges and crypto mining. So, right now we'll dive deep into this and just see what some potentials here are for Bitcoin in the near future. So right here, looking at the day chart, as you can see, we have a bull flag forming at the moment. Who knows when this will break out, but we're going to see what we can do here in the near future. So you have the resistance line there and support trend at the moment there on Bitcoin. As you can see here, if you connect there you go. So right now, Bitcoin in the downtrend in the bear market on the daily. Momentum very low. RSI right around 39, as you can see here. So there's still room for people to keep selling. So this possibly will still keep going down unless some amazing news comes out, which I don't think there's anything going to be coming out pretty soon for Bitcoin, as a lot of FUD is being spread around at the moment. So, but just wanted to give you guys some perspective here. So if you take a look at the day chart here on TradingView and you zoom back all the way to 2017, let me see, right here. So right here, 2017, January, roughly around the same time, right here, the January about the 11th. So we had this correction here where everyone thought it was the end of the world here at the beginning of the year. So right here, around 32, it's around 33% correction there in January. And look what happened. The market rebought here on the dip, and from there, the rest is history. So basically here, as you can see, if you zoom out in the daytime, the day chart here, you won't even notice that correction happened there in history. So it's basically the same thing that's going to happen here when Bitcoin definitely has its bounce in the near future. This dip here from 20,000 all the way down to 12,000 or 11,000 at one point is going to be very minimal in the near future when we look back at this. So definitely don't think of this as the end of the world. This is just a healthy correction for Bitcoin. As you can see here, we're going to have some potential downtrends here. So if you zoom in on the 4-hour time frame, currently, as you can see here, we had this previous head and shoulder pattern, which definitely signals a bear trend at the moment. As you can see there, head and shoulder. So you got the left shoulder, head, or some people might see it as a double top, right shoulder there. What you typically do is you take the the distance from the neckline up to the top of the head, and that's like your projected downtrend target there for the bear trend. Let me zoom in here. You take that, bring it down here to the neckline, so you have your possible projected target here, roughly in the $9,000 range. So somewhere in the $9,000 range based on this projection here. This is where Bitcoin could trend in the near future. As you can see, we have this trading channel here where a lot of people are definitely trading in there. So a lot of people are probably going to sell along this channel, and definitely Bitcoin could rebound and go up and down as it goes down. You know, it could go down here and then just rebound down to around the $9,000 to $10,000 range if more bad news keeps coming out for Bitcoin. But this is going to be the opportunity of a lifetime for a lot of the people out there that didn't get a chance to purchase Bitcoin earlier in the year. So right now, prices for Bitcoin are roughly the same as they were. Let's zoom back here. So roughly the same as they were at the beginning of December. So right before that explosion in the crypto market there during the holidays happened. Now you guys are definitely getting prices at roughly around the same time frame as it was back then. So right now everything is cheap, which means that there's a possibility to make money, guys. So you want to make money in the bear market. This is going to be the best time to purchase coins at a very, very discounted rate. And that's when you guys are going to make the most of your money here in the near future. So definitely look at this as an advantage that right now, because if you guys are holding Bitcoin for long term, it doesn't really matter this small correction here in the whole grand scheme of things. But this is an opportunity to purchase more altcoins, definitely an opportunity to purchase more Bitcoin. As you can see here on the day chart, there's still room for this to keep going down. As you can see here, the RSI is still around 40, so it's not quite oversold yet. So we're going to be looking for this price to definitely trend downward here in the near future. Like I said, it's going to probably have a rebound towards maybe the 14,000 mark in the near future, and then from there creating lower lows and lower lows until we hit a bottom somewhere roughly around the $10,000 to $9,000 range. But $10,000 is definitely going to be that support just because it's an even number, and people in the markets tend to trade even numbers. They love even numbers, so they're going to be looking for that whole number, $10,000. And if that breaks through, wouldn't be surprised if there was a panic sell towards the $9,000 range after that. So definitely keep that in mind, guys. Bitcoin, like I said, correction period. It's not the end of the world. Definitely a time to purchase more Bitcoin here, and definitely some more altcoins here, as everything will rebound, and you guys will definitely make a killing off of this dip. So keep that in mind, guys. That's going to be it for my video today. If you guys are new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.